But also, sometimes
Good day. How you doing?
That
this
is
was a
a
maxi dress I found.
the Costello plan.
Mm-hmm.
It's a map. It was original. The original is from 1660. It's a map of
Battery Park, where Battery Park is now, right?
This is
yeah.
fabric from a maxi dress. Thank you so much that I found at a thrift store.
Yeah.
And I was just like, oh, it's the right color.
Well, actually, two slops and a pair of breeches.
Yeah.
Those are.
This is a more detailed
Mm-hmm.
map. The original is rather,
Well, I see the fort here. Yeah.
but this one, this is a reproduction based on the original.
On the original. Uh-huh.
And they went more into more detail
So they kind of funky.
of the, you can see here the fort and all of the houses.
Yeah. And this is Wall Street.
That is Wall Street. That is the wall.
Now this here, is this Broadway?
That is Broadway.
Oh, okay.
And this is, I forget what this is, they call it Broad Street.
Mm-hmm.
This was originally, this is
Was-
William Street.
Was there not a canal going over here? I mean, I'm not talking about like Canal Street, but I thought that there was outside of the wall of Wall Street here that there was some sort of ditch or a canal, some type. I thought that there was, or maybe it's this one. That
This is the,
is this a natural canal or it was handmade, man-made? That is.
this was originally a stream in here
Oh, okay.
that the Dutch, enlarged and turned
Oh.
into a canal.
Oh, okay. So it was originally there, but they just enlarged it.
Yeah, yeah.
All right. Now, the Stuyvesant owned property up here, right?
Yes.
Up north of the wall, right?
Yes, I'm not sure if that was it, but up in here,
Yeah.
where what they call the Bowery. was,
Right. That's where he owned a lot of property.
That's where he had his farm. Yes, he had. Yeah, I wish now I brought one of my books that I have on history of New York with me, because
A lot of this actually is filled in
all of that is filled. Yes.
nowadays because
Yeah.
actually the World Trade Center is actually built on fill.
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah.
And yes, and I'm trying to remember where the wall along here, with an extension of the wall.
Mm-hmm.
That's now right along here. I forget what street that is, but yeah.
Yeah.
I'd come over here and eat in front of you.
I'm sorry.
I figured I'd come over here and eat in front of you.
Oh, all right. Well, be that way.
Interesting.
And that is a copy of originally a 1655 map
Of all
New
the
Netherlands.
all that they had, that the Dutch had here in this area, right?
Yeah.
But wasn't this this is Boston and
This
New
is
England
a-
area,
yeah,
right?
They refer to up here as that's Nova and New England.
Oh, New England. Oh, okay. So even Rhode Island here is not here yet because that's they moved from Massachusetts to create that colony of Rhode Island, right?
Yeah, that would be right. That would be down here.
And they even had colonies in New Jersey too, in the New Jersey
yes, the
area.
Dutch, let's see here. Yeah, the Dutch did.
Yeah, they had a
Across
lot.
from Manhattan Island, where Jersey City is. That's
Yeah.
It was originally Pavonia, which is now Jersey City.
Yeah.
And I'm trying to think, there's Jersey City, and or like Hoboken and Jersey. That was all
Yeah.
the Dutch also settled on.
You got Wappingers here too.
Yes, that's going
So that was named by the tribe that was there, right?
Yes.
whatever Ben does at the moment, which is a lot of everything. So today he's doing mercantile.
Rensselaerwick. I remember learning about rent wars that were happening in the 1820s to 1840s.
Yes.
I thought that was a very fascinating history,
Japanese swords being shipped to the
and that was against the Rensselaerwick family
Yeah.
that inherited all this land on both sides
Yes.
of the Hudson. And very few people even know that we had eastern elk here. At one, we had eastern elk over here on the East Coast. I think they even are trying to reintroduce them here or something like that. Fascinating.
I see you've made yourself at home. Well, anyway, you might be interested. Dawn is selling some of this. It's